Presto FryDaddy electric deep fryer makes fabulous French fries, chicken, onion rings, donuts, and more. Frying is easy because the FryDaddy maintains the perfect frying temperature automatically with no controls to set. It makes 4 servings of French fries using just 4 cups of oil because there's no messy basket to waste valuable space inside the fryer. Instead, the handy scoop stirs, separates, lifts, drains, and serves. The snap-on lid stores oil right in the fryer without spills or odor. And the non-stick coating, inside and out, simply wipes clean for crispy, crunchy, deep-fried foods, fast and easy. The Presto FryDaddy Deep Fryer. Also available, the larger 6-cup Grandpappy Deep Fryer with all the same features.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here we have Cuisinart's deep fryer. This deep fryer holds up to 1.1 liters of oil, which is in there right now because we're going to deep fry some coconut shrimp. I'm going to place the basket inside of the deep fryer. It has an adjustable temperature control right up front with an on-off indicator light. When you turn it on, the indicator light will be red, and when it's ready to fry, when it's at the temperature, it turns green. And here's the adjustable temperature control. We're going to give this a few minutes. It also has a filter right in here that you can take out. You can actually remove from here and rinse it to get rid of all of the odors. It has a nice brushed stainless steel housing. And you can see the footprint is actually very small. It's also a perfect size for apartment dwellers or kids in college. Okay, so I think our coconut shrimp are now ready. Again, you can just pour them out of the basket into this plate. There we have deep fried coconut shrimp made in Cuisinart's deep fryer.